Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit, and today we've secured this 2019 Range Rover Vogue with the Starline Stealth S5 system. So this pairs a Starline i96 Pro Immobiliser, which uses push sequence or the customer's phone to disarm the system and allow them to drive away, along with an insurance approved S5 tracker. So if the customer's phone isn't present in the vehicle and it starts to go on the move, for example if they lift it and take it away, the customer will be alerted. So the way the Immobiliser works is if someone obviously hopped in and the phone wasn't present, they didn't put the PIN code in and they selected a gear, the car will just switch off. So to drive this day to day, what we do, start the vehicle up. Either the customer's phone can be in the vehicle or they can put in the push sequence, hear a disarm tone, and the vehicle can be driven. This push sequence can be anything between 3 and 21 presses in any order of supported buttons, and to change it, what you have to do first is disarm the system, then press any button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cycle the ignition off and on, we'll get 5 bleeps. Now we're ready to learn, so we'll just change it to a more sophisticated code of, we'll wait for a confirmation, and then repeat that again. If we get the same confirmation, that means the code's learnt and we can turn the ignition off. There we go. So with this system, when you leave the vehicle, it will automatically arm after 10 seconds. If you come back obviously before 10 seconds, it will disarm. So now it's been about 10 seconds. If someone was to try and attack it, it will start up and then stall, as you can see. There's no need to turn it back on when you leave the vehicle. After 10 seconds it automatically arms. So what we'll show you now is the new push sequence. So start it up, pop the new code in. Oh, I think that was the wrong code. Yep, so we'll just have to wait a few seconds and try that again. There we go, now we can drive the vehicle. As you can see, even if someone knew the buttons and tried it in a different combination, the system won't disarm. They have to get it perfectly right. Like I said, this also has the facility to pair a phone up, so they don't have to do the push sequence every single time. As long as the Bluetooth's on their phone and it's in their pocket, they'll get in the vehicle, start up, you'll hear that disarm tone, and you can drive away. Lastly, if they want to take it back to Range Rover for a service and obviously don't want the Immobiliser to be active, they don't want to give them the phone or the push sequence, this is how you put it into service mode. So first the system has to be disarmed with the push sequence. So for this, just ignition on, no need to start it. So we'll put the push sequence in now. System disarmed. Now press any button 11 times. Cycle the ignition, we'll get 2 bleeps. There we go. So now this is a normal car. When you take it back to Range Rover, it's as if the Immobiliser doesn't exist. They can select a gear, drive it around their workshop, road test it, and do whatever they need to do. When you get it back and you obviously want it protected again, all you do, ignition on, pop your disarm tone code in, get your tone. Sorry, get your double bleep, and it's protected again. Like I said, so after about 10 seconds it automatically arms and you're protected. So once again, this is the Starline Stealth S5, which uses the Immobiliser we've just shown, and also an S5 insurance approved tracking system. So if the customer's phone isn't in the vehicle and it starts to move, they'll get alerted. To secure your vehicle, give us a call. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.